The last exercise, example 4, we're going to use our lovely D9 chord that I use so much, right? This guy. Flat 7, 9, 3rd, root. Now remember, you can replace also the root on the high string for the low string and you will have this chord. Really nice for maybe some chord melody, right? And what I love about this chord is that if I take the flat 7 and the root, I have this beautiful, like, you know, whole step of a distance between the flat 9 and the major 3rd. So that's what I use that chord a lot. It's because of this nice tension. All right, and what I'm doing is just harmonically I'm going from D9. If you bring the 3rd up, you go to D sus4, and then I'm using this D7. That is no more than a D major triad on strings 2, 3, and 4, second inversion with a flat 7 on the melody, right? Because that's the D note, 10th fret, and the flat 7 is a whole step below. All right, so get used to this first, right? Go. So get comfortable with that movement. Everything is over D here. We're just, again, this will look more like, you know, my past funk lessons, like create movement over just one chord. Okay? Now let's analyze the rhythm together this time, okay? So we have, on the first beat we have the first 16 note with the third 16 note. That sounds like this. 1 1 1 down down, right? Remember the first and the first 16 note are the downstrokes. And on the second beat we have the second 16 note, and here's where we go to this D sus4, right? So we have this 1 and 2 E, 1 and 2 E, 1 and 2 E, 1 and 2 E, right? That's it, slower. 1 and 2 E, 1 and 2 E, all right? And now at the end we go to the, well, not the end, we're on the 3rd beat, we go to D7, right? This one, and we play on the 3rd beat all the 16 notes. So we go ba-da-da-da, right? So we have so far 1 and 2 E, 3 E and A, right? And on the 4th beat, we're just playing the second 16 note, again with the same chord, right? So we have this 1 and, sorry, 3, 4, 1 and 2 E, 3 E and A, 4 E. Right, that's the rhythm. Slower. 1 and 2 E,